Right, hello there my quilty friends. Here's my attic window block, the first part of, cut and ready for stitching. You need to turn them over so it's the wrong side is up, and make a mark. I mean, that's a bigger mark than you'd need, but I wanted you to be able to see it. 1/4 of an inch in from the right hand side of the back of the square, and from the top edge of each of the side pieces. Okay, I've turned them back now, right sides up, ready to stitch. And we're going to take the centre square, and I'm going to do the bottom piece first and put them right sides together. You need to make sure as this bottom edge here is all straight. You see that there? And we're going to stitch from that edge to the mark we've made that is 1/4 of an inch in from the edge. So here we go now, I'm stitching along, and I'm going to stop it once I come to that 1/4 of an inch spot. I don't tend to pin or tack, but you can if you want. I tend to hold with my finger, or you can hold with the quick and pick onto the edge so it doesn't move. And then I'm going to stop, going quite slowly, so I can be really accurate with where I stop. And I'm just going to flip that over now, so that one is sewn, but you haven't come right to the edge. Put the second piece down, right sides together, making sure that this edge here is straight. And I'm going to pick that up, and I'm going to stitch that piece again from the straight edge forward. And again going along till you come to your 1/4 of an inch spot, so it's not a full seam, and stop in at that point and fold that one out as well. So we've got the shape going here. Now we need to stitch these two together, and this is the tricky little piece. So we're going to fold them back towards themselves, and you need to fold it so that, there we go, I've got that edge there, nice, and I got this edge up here, nice. And you just need to ensure that the middle square, that middle square isn't caught. And then we're going to stitch from that point down to the actual end. So I'm starting at that 1/4 of an inch in, that little mark I made, and I'm going to stitch right down, and this time we're going right to the edge. I'm going to hold that there. There you go. So there's your block stitched, and we're going to turn it over, and we're going to press the seams out away from that centre square. Pressing them out, and the corner one, you press that to one side. Turn it over now and give it a little press from the front. And there you have one little attic window block complete.